Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GA4 reports in Looker Studio for organic traffic, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Looker Studio on your preferred web browser. Log in using your credentials to access your dashboard. In the top left corner, click on the Create button. From the drop-down menu, select Report. You will be prompted to add data to your new report. Click on Add Data to start integrating your Google Analytics 4 data. In the selected data source window, click Add a data source. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Google Analytics. Choose the option for Google Analytics 4. Click on Connect to link your GA4 property. You will see a list of dimensions and metrics from your GA4 data. Review the options and click Add to Report at the top right corner. Next, adjust the report layout by clicking on Theme and Layout in the toolbar. Select your preferred layout style and apply it to the report. To visualize organic traffic, click on the chart icon in the toolbar. Choose time series or any preferred chart type for displaying traffic trends. Drag the chart onto your report canvas. In the right panel, set the dimension to date. For the metric, select sessions or users as your measurement of organic traffic. To filter for organic traffic specifically, click on Add a Filter. Select Include and choose Medium from the drop-down that appears. Set the condition to exactly matches and input organic. Click Apply to implement the filter. Adjust any additional settings like style and colors to enhance your chart's readability. Review the report layout, ensuring all elements are properly aligned and visible. When satisfied, click on Share in the top right corner to share your report. Choose the sharing options that suit your needs, whether linking or inviting collaborators. Your Looker Studio report now effectively shows organic traffic from Google Analytics 4. Monitor and update your report regularly for the most current insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.